Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Phuso Dithejane bafowethu, one of the most exciting players laphana elikini. Seke wakhuluma, I think few weeks back wakhuluma vele ukuthi uyafuna yena ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs i-first team, and yinto vele dale ifuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously-ke uthi aka-regret noma akasoli the way ahamba ngakhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angafuni ukuba u-ball boy. But mina I'm doing this clip ukubuza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yona imephi, iyamfuna na uPhuso Dithejane back, nanokuthi are they willing to go all out for yena ukuthi bakhiphe le mali le-TS Galaxy ezoyifuna, because of i-TS Galaxy ezoyifuna imali and izofuna imali serious ngempela. I mean lokhu if i-Chiefs if iyamthola uPhuso Dithejane yamsayina back, angazi ukuthi i-deal yakhona izobonakala kanjani, because of you sign ubonaye lo muntu lo ethimini yakho uyamyeka uyahamba but somfuna back ngabo 10 million, because lo i-TS Galaxy izofuna boma 10 million. But at the same time uTim Sukazi kwesinye isikhathi akawacindezeli kakhulu ama-player or ama-teams ukuthi uzofuna iy'mali ey'nkulu. Uyakwazi ukunegotiate because of kwesinye isikhathi unokucompromise le price tag la efunayo. Ama-player wakhe amaningi ahamba ngo-5 million rands just nje ukuthi athole ama-bigger and better opportunities kuma-big 3 or kuma-teams wase-Johannesburg. But at the same time uPhuso Dithejane uma ubheka une-opportunity enkulu futhi ukuthi aye overseas ngoba i-Galaxy inama-connections amakhulu laphana ko-Europe, so kune-opportunity. So umfana kuzoba kuye ukuthi ufuna ukuya kuphi, but sesimzwile esho ukuthi ufuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs. Azange akufihle lokho, azange akufihle. So bayamdinga na ku-Chiefs, bayabona ukuthi mhlawumbe angakwazi ukuyisiza na i-team this season alone bafethu. Lo muntu lo seshaya amagoli awu-4 plus nama-assist awu-4, highly instrumental for i-Galaxy. Nangapha sebizwe nalaphana kuBafana Bafana or sebamnothisile ku-prelim squad ukuthi lo muntu lo angakwazi ukusiza iBafana Bafana. Sebamnothisile as one of the most exciting players ku-Betway Premiership. I think naleyo nto le izokwazi ukukhuphula i-price tag yakhe, because even ne-team yakhe im-congratulate-ile ukuthi congratulations Bafanas ngokuthi unothiswe laphana kuBafana Bafana ngama-performances wakhe a-good, the performances that you give week in and week out. Bheka manje-ke so you reap the rewards yalawo ma-performances lawo owabonisa noma the performances that you give. And esengengakusho, I think a day or two ngikhulume ngayo umfana ngasho ukuthi bonakala ngathi isikhathi sakhe saku-Galaxy sesiyaphela, because of sebayadlala manje ama-game without yena, meaning that bafuna uku-adjusta i-squad sabo basi-curate different ngaphandle kwakhe umfana. But asingeneni ku-Chiefs, i-Chiefs ayenzi kahle in terms of ukuthola ama-results. Sometimes they play good football but ama-result bayahluleka ukuwathola, and then i-pressure uma udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs i-too much ku-first team. Sometimes ama-player, in fact not even time, sometimes isikhathi esiningi ama-player ashawa i-pressure ukuthi abadlalela i-Chiefs, i-team enkulu, and a lot it is expected from ama-players. Akufani nokudlala ku-Chiefs ku-DDC team odlala ku-first team, kumele udeliver week in and week out, and uma kusayina ama-results a-expectwa immediately. Angakwazi ukuhandlela lokho na ukuthi ayodlalela le team, i-team phela uyaphupha, uyafuna I mean it's a dream for yena ukuthi adlalele i-Chiefs. And uma siyibheka i-market value yakhe bafethu is just over just around aboma 7-8 million rands i-transfer value yakhe laphana, noma ngithi imali abampriza yona ukuthi i-team kumele iyikhiphe if bayamfuna umfana azojoyina i-team yabo. But I think they can even agree around boma 6 million rands because of ama-negotiations. Ngingakhuluma like abanye abantu mebekhuluma bama-agent bakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi sometimes iplayer lingaba say 8 million rands, but uma uyi-good negotiator, this is what good negotiator does-ke. Iplayer bathi bafuna 8 million, uthi no asinayo 8 million okwamanje, but singanika i-5 million cash, and then kube ne-clause, i-20% or whatever clause ethi le player makungenzeka silithengise in the near future nizokwazi ukubenefita still, or le player malizokwazi ukudlala say 20 games 25 games next season li-contribute kakhulu ethimini, nizoyithola le 3 million after i-season umfana seyidlalile, sedilivile for i-team. So iplay libaluleke kakhulu leli. This season ku-Betway Premiership bafethu udlale ama-matches awu-12, but amagoli wakho uyawabona nawe laphana ukuthi alokhu njana maningi, right. And into lo esingamsalutela yona umfana ukwazi ukudlala laphana as u-number 10 aphinde akwazi ukudlala as i-wing. Ukwazi ukudlala as i-wing, i-wing because bengithi i-right wing kuphela. But khona la ngimbone khona ku-left taking players on against i-Sundowns avela kulelo side lelo. Kusho ukuthi uwumuntu o-unpredictable. You can never predict him, you can never plan ukuthi uzovela kuphi kanjani. Uvela vele nje out of the blue and then uyawalimaza-ke ama-teams amaningi ngoba ngama-assist wakhe uyawashaya ama-assist. Even nakuma-cup competition uyakwazi ukuwashaya ama-assist cause is it MTN 8 une-assist naku-Carling une-assist. So noma angavelanga azokushayela igoli straight direct but kuyakwazi ukusiza emagolini laphana ukwa-create-a amagoli for i-team. Kaizer Chiefs izoya all out for yena umfana, yes or no? Asazi sobona bafethu. Ku-TS Galaxy udlala ama-games awu-63 njengoba kuwama-season wakhe awu-2. Unamagoli awu-7 plus nama-assist awu-13, meaning that u-involve kumagoli awu-20 in the last 2 seasons laphana ku-Galaxy. Iplayer elibaluleke kakhulu bafethu. Is still developing, still just 21. So isikhathi anaso ku-professional setup bafethu side kakhulu. Uzo-improve, even ne-coach yakhe imkhuluma kahle kakhulu ukuthi umfana uya-improve. This season use-improve kakhulu ukuthi asize i-team, make sure ukuthi i-team iyawathola ama-results. Njengoba bengishilo ewe-exciting umfana. Singeneni komunye o-exciting kakhulu bafethu ku-Betway Premiership. uNdlovu waku-Golden Arrows. What a superstar, what a super talent. I-player nayo leli I don't think uzohlala ku-Golden Arrows, but i-Golden Arrows masiyi-mention isikhathi esiningi siyazi ukuthi i-prefera ukuthengisela i-Pirates because of banobudlelwane ne-Orlando Pirates obu-right, ubudlelwane ababhilde for years and years and years. Sazi ukuthi uNdlovu uzophelelaphi, uzofitha kiphi i-team, but siyazi ukuthi uNdlovu uzohamba ku-Golden Arrows because of Golden Arrows i-team, but akusiyi-team e-strong that much. It's i-team ethengisayo, akusiyi-team egcina ama-player ezowagcina for isikhathi ukuthi manje ama-player awasazi nokuthi or bayababhlokha inini, no, bayawahambisa ama-player. uSiyanda uzohamba and uSiyanda-ke naye u-versatile at just 22, uyi-player eli-important kakhulu for i-Arrows. But yeah, they have other players coming through this season. Ulo uNdlovu laphana for i-Arrows udlala ama-matches awu-14, unamagoli awu-3 plus nama-assist awu-4, meaning that every 2 games uyakwazi ukuli-create igoli indirectly or direct. Kwazi ukushaya igoli or ashaya i-assist. What a player. Uzophelela lapho uNdlovu. Kwazi ukudlala ama-wing awu-2, kwazi ukudlala ku-left wing, right wing. Phinde umbone futhi evela as a false number 9 laphana. Ugijima i-90 minutes yonke. So amanye ama-players sobe siwabhekile laphana ku-transfer market ukuthi azophelelaphi nanokuthi imaphi ama-teams azobe ababhekile abafana. Cause if you are exciting ama-teams amakhulu, it makes sense ukuthi akufune. It makes like sense ukuthi akufune ama-teams amakhulu. But Pirates will be a preferred destination for yena because of i-relationship abanayo. But yeah, what a player, what a superstar. Super exciting to watch him play. Ama-runs wakhe njalo. Sikhumbule ukuthi already sekabe inelo ne-player of the month laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Uya-improve nje kancane kancane. He's becoming a monster day by day. Angithi a monster, angisho ukuthi phela i-monster embi bafethu, but a monster in terms of like i-delivery yakhe nokusiza i-team. Ngoba this season njengoba sedlalele siyama-matches awu-17 masibala ne-Carling knockout, uyabona ukuthi i-player ngempela abanga-builda something around the Arrows. But i-Arrows phela angeke igcine uNdlovu i-long term, kumele bamenzele i-plan, kumele ahambe. Is it Pirates? Chiefs, possibly Chiefs. Sundowns maybe. But asazi. Kuzodecide yena umfana ne-agency yakhe mabahlala phansi bekhuluma ukuthi balokhu njani, bafunani ngempela for i-player. Bafuna ukuthi li-achieveni, bafuna ukuthi litholeni. Ku-Golden Arrows since wafika laphana sedlala ama-matches awu-60, unama-assist awu-10 namagoli awu-7, yabo. But isizini yakhe enkulu ile season le, and you're not even we're almost halfway in terms of ama-match, because sekadlala ama-matches ku-Betway Premiership awu-14, but we're still counting. Siyazi ukuthi sazo-contribute. Cela ukuzibamba lana bafowethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi Mkhulu Isoka uyakhula.